What's up, you guys? And today we're gonna be taking a look on Summertime 4, and today we're gonna be taking a look at the Flash from the TV show The Flash with Grant Gustin as the Flash. So anyway, this is my review. So as you can tell, Flash is basically a figure now that we have it in the McFarlane DC multiverse, which I got at Walmart for $20. He's not that bad a figure. You can see that this basically has like a lot of articulation. I'm not gonna basically mess with it articulation, and it might mess up my camera and all that. So anyway, there is a lot of sculpting in this figure, and I like it. He also comes with a stand, which I basically have him on the stand right now, standing. Um, the arms are good with the articulation. The feet have ankle pivot and all that articulation, even bending at the toes. The legs, good articulation on that, as well as the waist. And he does a good ab crunch. Now, what he also has is this right here. I have in plastic baggie is Speed Force effects, which you can put on the Flash to hold and store on his body. He also comes, my Speed Force effects basically fell. But he also comes with a Flash Bio card, which is a trading card. And this is where I like it. I like this figure because he has a card. You know, it kind of reminds me of my Transformers Perceptor, who had a, um, um, Headmaster card. Thank you for joining me on my review. I hope you enjoyed my review on the Flash multiverse DC multiverse Flash figure from the TV show The Flash season 7 Flash. Um I'm saying a lot of the Flash, like word Flash lately, because basically this is the review. Anyway, see you next time.